Logan, what? That's it? But it can't just be Logan. There's gonna be 10 million Logans, bro. Logan, IN, GAN underscore YT. Logan 12129.
Hello everyone. Today I'm
Logan Mr. Fish 42. What? What are you saying to me?
Listen to
How about
some
you
music.
just read? Okay, okay. I know how to fix this. Okay. Open up your Oculus menu.
Mischief. Oh no,
Okay,
they're
when you're
stuck.
in your menu, go to like the settings. You know how to go to settings. You know how to go to app permissions. You go to apps. It says
You
app
touch water, you
permissions.
basically you
In the middle
get
somewhere.
out
You
water
see that?
anymore, guys.
Shake your head. Yes or no. It's in apps. It should be next to Wi-Fi in the settings.
Hey monkey.
Above it, you should see movement tracking and apps.
Logan.
You have to go to your actual settings, like the actual setting thing.
Let's see what percent the update.
I'm trying to help you to fix your mic. You have to enable the app permission mic so you can.
Why is it still 50?
You have to find app permissions. You find it? You found it? You found it? Did you find it? Yes or no? Nod your head. Hamster 12, move! Did you find it? No, you didn't.
Moderator.
Fish, you have to cooperate with me, bro. You gotta do it. You have to do it.
Can you pull out the band hammer for me? Can you pull out the band hammer?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Who said that?
Me. And the
Mr.
gray
Fish?
monkey.
Oh.
And the... Who wants to get smacked?
Mr. Fish died. No. Mr. Fish, how did you join back? What the heck? You died.
What are you guys gonna play?
Fish, I can't hear you because you didn't enable the app permission, bro. You didn't do it. You didn't listen to me.
Guys, what's the code?
Doc, can you pull out the band
Go to
hammer?
app permission. Do you see it?
Can you pull out the band
You
hammer?
found it? Bro. Come on, Fish. It's right there. It's right
Bro,
next
guys.
to devices and Bluetooth. It's right next to storage and Bluetooth devices, man. It's next to accessibility. You found it? Click on it. Yes. Do you see permission? Okay, go to microphone. Click on microphone.
Microphone.
Yes. And then scroll down in the app list and click on Monkey Mischief. It should be gray. Find Monkey Mischief and enable it. Enable it. Okay? Did you do that?
Yeah, I want to know what
Now you have to restart your game. But just join code
I want to know
fish.
what you can do.
Just join code fish. Okay? You should work.
Wait, Duck, can you pull out the band hammer before you go?
Yeah, you gotta restart now. Join code fish.
Band.
Who the heck are you? Master Bobo? Master Bobo?
I
Master
literally
Bobo.
have a thing that I can click.
Oh yeah, I also have a thing I can
Yo,
click.
I'm in.
Can you hear me? Oh, yeah, I can hear you. Fish. Fish.
Yes!
I fixed it.
What?
Open
Oculus, man.
What's
this
update? What's
this?
this?
I have a
Bro,
button I
what you
can
gonna
press.
click?
I have a button I can press. Come here. Come here. Wait,
I wanna see the
Galaxy
button.
Monkey.
Come on,
Galaxy
come on.
Monkey.
Button. There's no
Come up here.
buttons. Look.
Galaxy Monkey, come here. Come to the
Galaxy.
stairs behind you. The stairs. The
You.
stairs. The
Oh,
stairs.
the stairs.
The stairs.
You
The
monkey.
stairs.
You.
Monkey!
Go up
Ooh,
there.
that's a
There's
nice
button.
Why
neon
is that guy
color.
glowing?
I like that
He's
neon,
glowing.
right? It's just
How
the
are
glitch
you
that
glowing?
randomly
Tell me,
happens.
please.
It's
What's
a
this
glitch that
other
randomly
way,
happens. You
please?
can't do it.
Please.
Galaxy Monkey, come here. Look behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Behind you. Come here. Come here. I have
Come
a
here, come
button
here.
that I can press. I also have a button I can press. It's a really cool button.
That's a
What is
really
it?
cool
What's the
It's
button.
a
button?
really cool button right here.
It's
And
right there, it's right
Really
there.
cool button.
It's right there.
It's a really cool button.
Ah, ah. See, he is a moderator,
trying to go
guys.
over the bridge. What the freak? Here,
And
grab
here
on
you
to
go.
my hand.
Bro,
Kick him!
bro, what were you trying to say,
him.
Logan? Logan, Mr. Fish, what is all this
come
Logan
here.
Paul
Wait,
stuff?
how are you questioning me on my color?
Come here.
What was all this Logan Paul stuff you're trying to tell me, bro?
Come here. Here, let's
Hey,
join Code
how are you
Fish.
not questioning my color?
Because it's just a
Guys,
glitch that
guess
randomly
what?
happens. I don't really
Guess
care.
what I said? I said,
It's a glitch
I
that
said
randomly
open
happens.
Oculus
It doesn't
menu,
mean
and
anything.
guess what it came up with? It said, would you like to open Oculus Min?
Wait,
Would you like to
how
open
long is the
Oculus
ban?
Min
How
instead?
long
Okay,
is
that's
the ban?
crazy. Now, Mr. Fish, can we... What?
Join Code Fish. Join Code Fish.
Wait,
What's your
how long
Oculus
is the
plan?
ban?
I'm down here forever.
Shush.
My Oculus name?
Here,
Just-
how
just
long is
join
the
the
ban?
code.
High five. High five, Duck.
Join the code that I
Permanently.
said. Oh shoot!
Duck,
Don't
can I have
ban
a
me.
high
They're all
five?
gonna join, though.
Move! Move!
No, high five.
Move! 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 Move!
Wait.
Bye, moderator. I can play pussies.
Move! Please! Please! Please!
five.
Please! Please!
Green.
Move!
Duck.
Junkies! You guys are so
Duck.
fast!
High five.
Jesus Christ!
Don't
Duck,
actually
high
join.
five.
Don't actually join. Don't actually join. They all left. Don't actually join. Don't
Duck,
actually.
okay,
I'm
okay.
so
Can I have a
glad
high
that you're a
five?
slow typer.
I won't join.
You didn't
Duck, I
actually
won't join the code. Just
Okay,
have a
type your
high five
Oculus
and
right
I'm
now.
done.
They all left.
Alright, my
Or just tell
Oculus
me
man.
it.
Where did you go?
We're behind you.
Duck, high
Oh,
five.
okay. Move! Fifty!
Wait, they made it so you could go online for free now?
Yeah, that's been here for like 2 months.
Alright, you ready?
Oh,
You
I
ready?
didn't know
You
that.
ready?
I've never played this
Are
game.
you ready? Are you ready?
Actually,
Whoa,
I have.
whoa, whoa,
like-
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Hey,
whoa.
Where are my
Duck,
guys?
high five.
How do you
Duck.
get the glowing
Oh my god, they joined
How
back!
do you get the
How do they
glowing
join
skin?
back? What is it? Just tell me it.
How do you get the
Alright,
glowing skin?
Mr_Fish42.
Oh, you didn't tell
How
me
do
it
you
was
get that
underscore.
glowing skin?
Oh, they couldn't have.
What is the, like, is it just a rip-off of Gorilla Tag, or, like, is it...
No.
What happened to
this
the
is
old
better.
one? It's
and,
better.
And the new map's gonna
How do
come
you
out
get
soon.
that golden? How do you get that
Hold on,
shiny
everybody,
skin?
stop! I got a few
High five.
questions.
Then, bro, the new
Just
map
really
is just a
quick.
remake of the old map, kind of, but better.
Here,
Wait, what's
can
the
I
new
have a high
map?
five?
This map?
On the
The fourth
painting.
one.
No, the painting.
Yes,
On
this
the
one.
ship.
Duck.
Whoa!
Wait,
Can I have a high
bro,
five?
whenever I type Mr. Fish underscore, it just brings up Mr. Fish
How did you
vlogs.
get that color?
It brings up Mr.
What is
Fish
that
vlogs. Is
color?
that you?
By the way, the M and the F are capital.
What's that color?
Mr_Fish42.
Just a random color that happened.
Move!
Because I got a handshake. Oh my gosh. Well guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. Shout out to Duck being a moderator. He did ban a couple of people because I think it just kicks you out. I don't know, but if a moderator would watches this video, can you please tell me? Can you please like talk to me? I'll get Discord, we can talk. Maybe I can become a moderator. That would be awesome. But since Past Lives is on, I gotta do something. I'm gonna hover over a game that will never be forgotten. Capuchin, we've always loved you. We'll never forget you. Just in your honor, let me show you what's everything's last. What's the last of everything? This is the last of Capuchin, guys. This, I think. This is what makes me cry. Capuchin. Hackers destroyed this. This is what Capuchin looked like. Goodbye, brave soldiers who love Capuchin. This is the end of the video. Bye.